So this is the unboxing for EZPZ-AT chair. First, let's take our packing slip. Right. And let's confirm if this is the right box for it based on the packing slip. So look at the serial number right here. So that's the right serial number. And we're now opening the box. Open the box. First thing you'll see is the board. Just gonna take it out. You'll see the EZPZ-AT and the accessory box inside. Take out the accessory box. The commode pan. The chair. Before you take out the chair, you're gonna take off this support cardboard. Once the support cardboard are taken out, then we take off the chair itself. Okay. Confirm what's inside the accessory box. 4 casters, 2 of which have anti-tipper. 2 footrests, manual, the headrest. Headrest should come in 2 pieces, one for the neck and one for the rest pad assembly. And once you get your chair, you also need to check the serial number of the chair to confirm it's the right chair for the work or the order. Alright, so now we're assembling the chair. First, put on the back into place. Now, if you notice here, we have a soft seat. Now, this is only if you order the soft seat as an accessory. It will be included there. Other than that, that's all you have for the seat. So continuing on installing the backrest. Make sure you take off the soft seat first if you have a soft seat. Then put on the snap pin to the backrest. You will have a tri-lobe here for your headrest. This tri-lobe is only for to make sure that the neck is locked in place. Install the headrest pad assembly with the neck by tightening this tri-lobe over here. We're going to install the caster. Casters are installed the same, except for this one with if you have an anti-tipper, then the anti-tipper goes at the back. After casters are installed, install the footrest, install the commode pen. The seat. And again, the soft seat is here because it's unless you order it.